This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Swegon extends the heating capacity of its water-to-water R290 Sigma Zero heat pump/chiller to 290 kilowatts. By Michael Hines. Published October 9th, 2025. Swedish manufacturer Swegon has announced that its Sigma Zero range of water-to-water propane chillers and heat pumps has been expanded to a maximum heating capacity of 290 kilowatts. The Sigma Zero was originally released in 2023 with a minimum capacity of 20 kilowatts and a maximum capacity of 70 kilowatts. The Sigma Zero range can provide chilled water from -10 to 20 degrees Celsius, 14 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and hot water up to 75 degrees Celsius, 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and is available in 4 configurations. High, chiller with inverter compressor. High HP, reversible heat pump with inverter compressor. High HPW, heat pump reversible on hydronic side with inverter compressor. High OH, heat pump with inverter compressor. The Sigma Zero is available as an indoor or outdoor unit and is Eurovent certified. With its maximum capacity of 290 kilowatts, the model is now the second largest R290 chiller/heat pump produced by Swegon, with the AirSource Titan Zero topping it with a capacity range of 230 to 400 kilowatts. Swegon has been building chillers and heat pumps with R290 since 2020, and the manufacturer offers several air-to-air and air-to-water units. Alberto Ferrandi, product manager for Swegon, told naturalrefrigerants.com in an interview at ISH 2023 that the company began developing R290 products before there was a proposal to revise the EU F-gas regulation, saying the company felt that for heating, propane was a great solution for its refrigerant characteristics.